I'm Park MacArthur. I'm here working on a new work exhibition. We are in the New Work Gallery, right in between the Boda and Snøhetta buildings at SF MoMA. Bohetta for Beverly are two small pieces of the black granite that were used in the Boda staircase, which was the anchor point to the museum. That was replaced by a new staircase, and the granite was cut into commemorative bricks. One of them used in the exhibition is blank, and the other one states, "Thank you for stepping up to build our future, SF MoMA." The Bohetta part is the combination of the architect's name. Boda and Snøhetta, I both wanted to think about the things that are used as a building material, but also as a commemorative material. I was thinking about the history of SF MoMA and the move to the neighborhood and the way in which things such as the staircase are removed in order for different forms of growth and expansion to take place. Designation is 3 maple boards of the same flooring that's used throughout the entire museum. They're placed on the wall facing side out, so you see the tongue and groove structure of the boards. And this is a material that connects both the old and the new buildings. One of the other pieces that you'll notice in the show is titled Softly Yet Effectively, and that is language the Manual of Uniform Traffic Control Devices uses to describe how traffic signs should speak to drivers. At least one and sometimes 2 signs are facing the wall itself, and so you see the back side of the signs. They don't have any text on them, so I think there's a familiarity to them as many people have driven on highways or experienced that kind of travel. So I was thinking about the use of those words and the inversion of them. In How to Get a Wheelchair Over Sand is an image of boards and flat surfaces that friends of mine and colleagues at an art residency placed on top of sand so that my power wheelchair could get to this campfire. So it's a way of moving across a surface into a kind of social gathering site. The drawing ramp scheme, Main Street 160, is a small graphite and red pencil drawing that my grandfather, Emery Herman, drew while making a ramp for a house that my sister and I were staying in. So it's a record of, again, another provisional access structure that a family member of mine made. This work also points to the way in which my work and the way in which I would live is always dependent on other, both family members and partners and artists. But I think this is something that's intrinsic to all the pieces and is indivisible within how an art show or how my art practice happens.